Then there were enemies for the Society of Jesus. Sebastian Carvalho, known as Marquis de Pombal, was the prime minister of the King of Portugal, and he controlled Goa and other territories which were under King of Portugal. He didn't like Jesuits because Jesuits are very powerful. Instead of approaching him, they are approaching the king and queens. So he managed to convince the king. The Jesuits in Goa have done a conspiracy to kill you. So Jesuits were dispelled from Goa and all other Portuguese colonies in 1759. The church which we are here was built by the Jesuits. You mention any church in Salsette. When I say Salsette, mean the old Salsette. Present day Salsette and Marmagova Taluka. They were called Salsette. Rashol Seminary, Holy Spirit Church, Navelin Church, all those churches of. And even the King of Portugal gave Salsette to Jesuits to spread the good news of Jesus, and Bardes to Franciscans. And this Tiswadi was divided. The eastern portion was given to the Jesuits, the western portion was given to Dominicans, Theatines and Augustinians. So in the eastern portion, Ribandar Church, San Pedro Church, Charão, Divar, Saint Esteban, Kumbarzuve, this side, Bati, Mandur, Nevra, Santan, all these churches were built by Jesuits.